looks like JetBrains definitely endorse React. Like every screenshot on the
Oh yeah,
WebStorm page is React
React,
JSX code.
React Native. Yeah,
Well, React is great. It's very good for web dev. You know,
React
it's
is
not good
lovely. I
for.
haven't touched it in so long though.
Oh, I use it all the time, but it's horrible for augmented reality development. It's like if you were to game dev in React.
Hmm.
Who who thinks of doing that? Why? Who thinks it's a good idea? I'll tell you who. Fucking Facebook. Yeah,
Wait,
it's a great idea.
do they do game development in React?
Well, it's AR development, right? So
Right.
uh, it's augmented reality development in for Instagram and Facebook lenses, and of course they invented React. So they're like, let's use React because it's a great idea, but it's a horrible idea. You
Hmm.
should never use that for because AR development, the way you code it, is very similar to game dev.
Hmm.
And why why have a React based language doing game dev? It doesn't make any sense. Very good for web, horrible for anything else, pretty much. Yeah,
Yeah, I can't imagine why you'd ever want to do that, but well,
yeah, because
especially
games work off of frames, right? That's how they
yeah.
should always work. They work off of frame handlers. It's the best way to handle it. But oh no,
Well, especially
oh
now
no.
that you can do embedded Unity, like
Yep.
why would you ever want to do anything else?
Yeah, Unity's great. Unity's my favorite.
I've got
Big
something cool that I'll grab, but I'll grab that in just a sec. What were you saying?
Unity over the other one, Unreal.
Unreal,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the one. I can't even remember his name. I do not like Unreal, but I think it's some parts of it are pushed more towards people who don't code, more towards artists. But
Yeah,
I
yeah, that
don't like
definitely does
Unreal.
help. But yeah, I'll grab that thing. You can entertain people about game development or whatever you want to do. Don't do anything I
Ah
need to edit
shit.
out, please. That would be a pain.
Yes. Entertainment. Uh, I've got nothing. Uh, all I've got is a bunch of eggplants falling on my face.
There we go.
That's all I can do. Eggplants.
Eggplants.
That's all I got.
I've got my honors project right now, and my honors project is doing like a VR tool.
Hmm.
And because I can't go into uni right now, they decided
Oh,
to lend
that's
me this.
nice.
It's just a Dell visor. It's like $300, but yeah, got that
Yeah,
sitting in
I've
here now.
always wanted to own a VR headset, but I've never bothered in buying one. I've only used it like I've probably only used VR or like put on a VR headset like probably like 3 times in my
Mm.
life. But it's very cool stuff.
It's definitely been getting better. I've never owned one myself, but I tried. I think the first time I tried VR would have been Oculus Dev Kit 2. And then the
Yeah,
next
I
time I tried would have been the HTC Vive. So that's a big upgrade.
that is a big upgrade. Yeah, the first one I tried was some sort of Oculus, but I can't. It was some school trip thing. I don't even remember. But yeah, I've thought I put a lot of thought into buying
Mm.
a Vive because that maybe I want to do some VR game dev, but I don't have time. I never have time. I do want to do game dev, but yeah, need more time.
Yeah, that's one of those things that it's weird that you don't have a Vive. I thought that's something you would already have.
Yeah, I definitely put a lot of thought into getting one, but just never have. Because then there's another excuse for me to procrastinate. It's probably
Mm.
not the greatest idea.
Yeah, maybe we want to play Beat Saber today.
Exactly. Yeah, I would. I am a big fan of Guitar Hero, so no doubt I would very much love Beat Saber, and not I won't be able to stop.
Mm. I physically don't have the room to play Beat Saber in here. If I tried it, I would smack my hand against something.
Hey, any room is a Beat Saber room if you're brave enough.
Well, you can see my bed behind me, right? That's as far as I can move my chair back.
Hey, you just gotta do blind parkour. That's all you need.
I guess I could play in my living room. That also works.
Yeah, that works. It's just yeah, I feel like if you really get into VR, you straight away you're gonna be like, I need an entire room for this
Mm.
and nothing else.
I think that's one of the benefits of some of the in head tracking, in headset tracking.
Yes, yeah,
Unlike the Vive, which has the base stations. But the base stations
yeah.
are getting smaller.
They should definitely put lidar sensors on the like on the headsets and junk, so that you can see. You could render virtual objects where your actual objects are, so you won't hit them. That'd
Mm.
be awesome.
Yeah, with well, I guess the best we've got right now is with the Vive, where you actually place the base stations. That kind of creates like a virtual play space, so it'll actually mark
Yep.
where you can actually go within the thing, but it's still just creating a rectangle based on where you place the base stations.